Hi friends, and welcome to our read aloud. Today we're going to be reading the story On the Bus. And if you look at the illustration on this first picture, we see a character we've been introduced to before. This character is Sam's mom. So Sam's mom is in the illustration first, and if you look at the picture, looks like there's a lot going on. She's bumping around and we see some houses in the background, and we know that she might be on a bus, maybe because of the title of the story, On the Bus. Remember, the title are the bold words up at the top of the page. So this story actually starts on page 44 of our reader. And I went ahead and flipped to that from the table of contents for you all since we've been working on that so much. I didn't think you needed a review. So just like all of our other stories, I'm going to read this story all the way through. As a listener, it is your job to sit and listen to the words I'm saying and look at the illustrations for what the illustrator and author is trying to tell you. The next time we'll read it together, and then you'll take some time with a grown-up or somebody who's sitting beside you and read it to them. So let's turn our listening ears on. Here we go. On the Bus. The van is in the Fix-It shop. Sam's mom must get on the bus. The bus pulls. Now notice we see a letter team here, those two L's, LL. We know that letter teams, when they're put together, make the same sound. So I'm not saying pulls, I'm saying pulls. The bus pulls in at the bus stop. Sam's mom gets on and sits in back. The bus bumps up the hill. Sam's mom hangs on with one hand. Sam's mom rings the bell. The bus stops at the next stop. Sam's mom gets off. Here again, we see those two letters making a letter team. And that's the whole story. So let's go back up to the front or to the page 44, and this time we're going to read it together. Here we go. On the bus. The van is in the Fix-It shop. Sam's mom must get on the bus. The bus pulls in at the bus stop. Sam's mom gets on and sits in back. The bus bumps up the hill. Sam's mom hangs on with one hand. Sam's mom rings the bell. The bus stops at the next stop. Sam's mom gets off. All right, and now it's your turn to read. So what I'm going to do is bring us back up to the first page, page 44. And you can go ahead and pause this YouTube video. And while the screen has this page up, take a moment to read it to an adult. So pause your screen and read the whole page. When you finish reading, press play. And now we will go into our next page. So you're going to do the same thing here. Pause the YouTube video, read the page out loud, and then when you're finished, press play. Awesome jobs, friends. Thanks for staying with me and finishing this read aloud. Have a great day.